Hi, in this video we are going to see how to sketch the curve. Okay. This lesson is taken from James Stewart 7th edition of calculus book, exercise 4.5. Okay, now there are 7 steps to sketch the curve. The first one is domain, second intercept, third symmetry, fourth asymptote, fifth intervals of increase or decrease, sixth local maximum or local minimum, seventh concavity and point of inflection. Domain, intercept, symmetry, asymptote, intervals of increase or decrease, local maximum or minimum, concavity and point of inflection. I am going to illustrate each point with 10 examples. These 10 examples are different kind, like fraction, log, square root, and exponential, trigonometry. So if we see this all the 7 steps with the 10 different examples, you will come to know the complete concept of domain, intercept, symmetry, asymptote, and then you can solve most probably any sums. Okay, now let us go to the example 1. F of x is equal to x cubed plus x. What is the domain? First, what is domain? Domain means the range of x values which define f of x value. The range of x values which define y value. Okay. Now, f of x is equal to x cubed plus x. First example. What is the range of f of x? X can be any real number. For any real number, this is the domain. For any real number, this function is valid. Second example. F of x is equal to x minus x squared over x squared minus 3x plus 2. In the domain, we have to see 3 or 4 points. The first point is denominator should not be 0. If the denominator is 0, then it will be infinitive. The value f of x is not defined. Okay. The second is square root should be greater than 0. Square root should be positive. Okay. Third one, ln should be positive. Okay. Let us see. We will see each varieties in different examples. Okay. Now, x squared minus 3x plus 2. Factorize it. X minus x squared x minus 2 x minus 1. X squared minus 3x plus 2, if you factorize, x minus 2 and x minus 1 will come. So when x is equal to 2, this is undefined. When x is equal to 1, it is undefined. Okay. So the domain is x is not equal to 2, x is not equal to 1, or we can represent minus infinity to 1 union 1 comma 2. This is the closed parenthesis, curved parenthesis, and then 2 to infinity. Okay, that means 1 is not included, 2 is not included. If it is this parenthesis, 1 is included. So we put curved parenthesis only. Okay, I hope you got it. Now question number 3, f of x is equal to x minus x times x minus 4 whole cube. X is all the real numbers. Okay. Then question number 4. Here x over square root x squared plus 1. Square root of x squared plus 1 cannot be 0. Denominator cannot be 0. Why? X squared is always positive number, plus 1 is also positive number. So here we have to see what will come. Here also x is all the real numbers. Okay. Let's note it down. Question number 5. F of x is 2x squared over x squared minus 1. Denominator, you can factorize x plus 1, x minus 1, 2x squared. So x is not equal to minus 1 and x is not equal to 1. Okay, you can do like this also. Minus infinity to minus 1, union, minus 1 to 1, then union, 1 to infinity. Okay. Question number 6. I am going to explain all the 7 steps with the same examples only. So question number 6, f of x is x squared over square root of x plus 1. Okay, in the example 4, we have seen x by, example 4 is x by square root of x squared plus 1. Here, denominator can never be 0, so it is because of the square root of x squared plus 1. Here, denominator can be 0 also. At the same time, when x is equal to minus 1, denominator can be 0, but square root always should be positive. So here x plus 1 should be greater than 0, so x is greater than minus 1. So what is the domain? Question number 6, what is the domain? Minus 1 to infinity, or x is greater than minus 1. Okay. If it is x is 0, 0 plus 1, it is positive. If x is minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, square root of minus 1, it is not possible. So x value should be greater than minus 1. Okay. Question number 7. F of x is equal to x e power x. Here domain is all the real number, because e power x curve we know that e power x is like this. So all domain is all the real numbers. Question number 8. Okay, first note it down. This question number 5 to 7. This is question number 5. Question number 6 is this one. Question number 7 is real numbers. Okay. Now question number, hope you noted. Okay, question number 8. Example number 8. F of x is equal to cos x over 2 plus sin x. Denominator 2 plus sin x can never be 0. Why? Sin x value is, what is the range? Minus 1 to 1. Even if it is minus 1, 2 plus minus 1 will be sin, it is 1. So this is valid for all real numbers. Okay. Domain is all the real numbers. Okay. Question number 9. Ln 4 minus x squared. Ln always, this should be always positive. So 4 minus x squared is greater than, should be greater than 0. 4 is greater than x squared. So x squared is less than 4. So x value will be minus 2 to 2. Then only x squared is less than 4. Okay. So how to write it down? Minus 2 to 2. Okay. This is a very interesting one. Question number 10. X cube. F of x is x cube over x squared plus 1. This is all the real numbers. Note it down. Okay. Question number 8. F of x is equal to cos x over 2 plus sin x. Domain is all the real numbers. 9 ln 4 minus x squared. Domain is minus 2 to 2. X cube over x squared plus 1. Domain is all the real numbers. See you in our next video.